In Ayurveda, food is called as medicine. How we eat, what we eat, that is also going to impact our system in a greater way. So now two things I said not to eat. Now the question comes, what should we eat? So among fruits, many people are eating watermelons. Whenever they have a lot of fever, they start eating watermelon. So this watermelon and muskmelon, these two melons, they are also kapha enhancing fruit. So if you having fever or any kind of viral fever or flu, in these conditions, if you are having this watermelon, muskmelon, this is good. It is very healthy, it's very hydrating, everybody should eat, especially it's seasonal fruit and it's summer season right now. So everybody should eat. But if you are having fever, then you should avoid these two fruits, and the fruits that you should eat is apple according to Ayurveda, because apple is very beneficial to enhance your digestive fire, and it is very beneficial to make your rasa dhatu, which is also equally responsible to enhance your immunity and given you and it will provide you strength so that you will not suffer with a lot of weakness. In addition to apple, papaya, if you have willingness to have very hydrating fruit, you can have berries. Berries are very beneficial. It will provide you a lot of immunity to your system, especially if you are having fever. In addition to that, chiku. Chiku is very beneficial fruit which will not enhance the water element in your body, and ultimately it will not impact your lungs. So chiku, papaya, pomegranate is also extremely beneficial for your health, especially if you are going through fever. So what you need to do, you take all these fruits and wash it properly. After that, put it in warm water for some time, like 10 minutes. After that, remove the peels and then eat. In this way, it will not impact your throat. And if your throat will be healthy, it is more chances like your virus or any kind of viral will not enter to your lungs. Because if your immunity organ to organ it is good, it will not impact your organ that badly. So that is the science behind it according to Ayurveda. So what are the fruits that you should not take and totally no, especially if you are having viral fever? That is banana. Banana is extremely cooling in potency and it is extremely mucus enhancing fruit. So banana you should avoid if you are having any kind of viral fever, because if you see, because you will see if you eat banana, it will cause throat pain after some time if you keep eating banana, and it is a mucus producing fruit. So avoid banana in such situations. Many people were asking, doctors are recommending vitamin C, so can we have kiwi? Yes, you can have kiwi, you can have oranges, but it would be extremely beneficial if you eat these kiwi and oranges when sun is there, because according to Ayurveda, the best time to consume citrus fruits is always the time when there is sun in the sky, so that it will take away the excessive cold from the fruit. That is the thing behind why you should eat when sun is there, because your digestive fire that time is very high and it becomes very easy for your digestive fire to digest orange and kiwi, all these citrus fruits. Whatever citrus fruit if you want to eat, you eat whenever there is sun in the sky, so that it will be get well digested in your system and provide you strength and immunity. Next, very commonly people are asking, can we eat nuts and dry fruits, because dry fruits are extremely beneficial to enhance the strength of the system, and I also have created a lot of videos regarding dry fruits. And should we start eating soaked dry fruit? So the answer for your question is no. You should avoid any kind of dry fruit if you are having any kind of viral fever, because these dry fruits are heavy to digest, and one of the thing that has been seen in any kind of viral fever according to Ayurveda, that is called jivanu in Ayurveda, it makes your digestive fire low. Whenever any kind of jivanu attacks or any kind of viral attacks on your system, it is going to make your digestive fire low. So if you are taking any kind of heavy diet for digestive fire, it becomes extremely difficult to digest it. So a lot of importance has been given what you should eat, and dry fruit is one of the thing. Dry fruits are difficult to digest. So especially in viral fever, you should try to avoid any kind of dry fruits, because dry fruits are also kapha enhancing, like I have mentioned in many of my videos. And the kind of viral we are dealing with, all of us, it is going to impact your lungs. That is, if it is a kapha enhancing disease, and ultimately it will lead to pneumonia and these kind of symptoms, which is happening all over the world. And then there is gasping for breath, no oxygen level, these kind of things are happening because of inflammatory response in the lungs. So what we can do with the help of diet, we should do it. So one of the thing is, you should avoid any kind of dry fruit, because this dry fruit will also mucus producing and kapha enhancing thing. So if you are having any kind of viral symptoms, you should avoid any kind of dry fruit.